as an entertainer, and you become a candidate for the president of Haiti. So do you think that you need experience to become the commander-in-chief of Haiti?
Well,
Experience in politics.
well, what is politics? What is politics? When you talk about politics in Haiti, to me, to me, politics in Haiti is putting people in the street and screaming. That's all they do. Or buying cars for the ministers. Or again, what? Getting rich. That's what politics is. Because I haven't seen anything else.
Okay.
I haven't. I have not seen anything else. You're talking about experience, you're talking about, let's talk about the guys who are in power. They had experience, right? What do you think? Did they have experience?
Who?
The guys who've been doing politics for the longest in Haiti, did they have experience? Yes, they did?
Yes,
Okay, so let's try somebody who has no experience.
Okay, I got a quick question. Michel,
Your name, please, and where you're
Philippe
from?
Bouchon, Caribbean Images. I know that with the 19 candidates, the polls recently showed that you're number 3 leading. Do you think it's a fair poll? How do you feel about it?
I really don't go by the polls because the polls are saying one thing, and sometimes you're on the field and you see on the ground you see different things. I guess this poll might be controlled, but whether they are or not, I don't go by the polls. I keep on doing what I'm supposed to do, just like I don't worry about the other candidates. My vision is for Haiti, it includes everybody, and I welcome the other candidates. I'm not about trying to understand what the polls mean. My campaign is working with the polls because when they identify an area where I'm supposed to be not too powerful, they want me there, they organize excursion so we can go and talk to the people. But myself, I'm not about the polls, I'm about changing Haiti. I'm focused. I want February 7, 2001 to be a new day for Haiti.
Let's say you don't make it as president. Would you accept a job as minister or prime minister or something like that?
Well, only God holds these answers. I couldn't tell you what will happen tomorrow. We have a plan. The plan is to win the election, so we intend to win and become the next president.